I will, me and my members we will be presenting our research titled "The Influence of Technology on Students' Engagements and Learning Outcomes: Understanding the Perspective of Senior High School Students in Golden Faith Academy." So this is my members. I am John Clifford S. J. Vergara.
Good day everyone. In this part, I will explain the background of our study. Technology is now widely used in schools, and many students rely on digital tools for learning. Study shows that technology can increase motivation, participation, and even improve academic performance. However, it affects ways the same for every student, especially in different school settings. In Golden Faith Academy, technology is also part of classroom activities, but there is limited research about how it affects the engagement and learning outcomes of senior high school students in this school. Because of that, our study aims to understand how technology use influences their level of engagement and their academic performance. By examining these factors, our research hopes to help the school in digital teaching practices and support student learning more effectively. That is the background of our study.
We have the statement of the problem. Study. Our research focuses on understanding how technology use affect student and learning outcomes among the senior high school in Golden Faith Academy. Since the technology has become a major part of education, we want to know whenever using it more inside and outside the classroom actually improves learning and encourage students to participate more. Our general problem is what is the relationship between the level of technology used students engage and outcomes. In other words, we want to find if the student who use technology more tend to be more engaged in class and achieve academically or in their area limitation or challenges that affect these outcomes. By answering this, we hope to better understand how technology is shaping the way students learn and interact in school. That's all for statement of the problem. Thank you. In this study, we look into how digital tools influence, engage, and performance. The result of this research will be used to several groups. First, Golden Faith Academy can use our findings to decide whether their technology-based teaching methods are effective. This can help decide if they should continue investing in digital tools or make improvements for their learning system. Next, this study is also beneficial for teachers. It can guide them in choosing the right device and digital strategies that make lesson more interactive and easier for the student to understand. This is also important for the students because it can help them see how technology affects their learning with this awareness. They might explore and use the tools that support policy makers. The research can be basis for creating improving educational policies. This ensure that technology in school is used fairly, productively, and in ways that truly meet students' needs.
For our review of related literature, we found that technology greatly improves student engagement and academic performance. Studies show that digital tools, multimedia materials, make learning more enjoyable and easier to understand. Research also reveals that virtual labs, simulation, and online quizzes help students achieve higher score. Overall, technology supports student academic skills, promotes independent learning, and keeps them engaged in their studies.
In this part, I will explain the methodology of our research. We use a descriptive quantitative design, and we gather data through a survey questionnaire. Our variables are technology use and student engagement, and both were measured using a Likert scale. For our sampling, we used simple random sampling so every student had an equal chance to be chosen. Our respondents were grade 11 students of Golden Faith Academy. For the data gathering, we shared an online survey and collected the responses. After that, we organized the data for our analysis. This is the methodology of our study. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope our study provide a clear understanding of how technology influence students' engagements and learning outcomes.